Working from home has become an increasingly popular option in recent years, and for good reason. The flexibility and freedom that comes with running a home-based business can be truly life-changing. However, starting and growing a successful home-based business is not always easy, and it requires a lot of hard work, dedication, and planning. If you're ready to take the leap and create a lifestyle business that fits your needs, then you're in the right place. In this article, we'll show you how to create a successful home-based business that allows you to do what you love and live life on your terms. The first step in creating a successful lifestyle business is to choose a business model that suits your needs and interests. There are countless home-based business ideas out there, from online coaching and consulting to e-commerce and affiliate marketing. Consider your strengths, passions, and skills to identify the business model that is right for you. Once you've chosen your business model, it's time to create a plan of action. This plan should include everything from setting goals and creating a budget to identifying your target audience and developing a marketing strategy. It's important to be as thorough and realistic as possible in your planning to set yourself up for success. One of the biggest benefits of running a home-based business is the ability to work from anywhere and create a lifestyle that suits your needs. This might mean working flexible hours that fit around your family commitments or traveling the world while running your business remotely. Whatever your dream lifestyle looks like, it's important to make it a priority and design your business around it. Marketing is a crucial aspect of any successful business, and a home-based business is no exception. In fact, marketing your business effectively is even more important when you don't have a physical storefront or office. Use social media, email marketing, content creation, and other digital marketing strategies to reach your target audience and build your brand. Finally, it's important to remember that building a successful home-based business takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Keep pushing forward, stay focused on your goals, and be willing to adapt and pivot as needed. In conclusion, creating a lifestyle business that fits your needs is a truly fulfilling and rewarding endeavor. With the right mindset, planning, and execution, you can create a business that allows you to do what you love and live life on your terms. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards your dream lifestyle today. Thanks for